everyone, this is Gable Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video ang kay Pablo, which is Usad official music video. So I won't take any longer. I am really excited to watch this one. So yeah, I really don't know kung may teaser siya. Hindi ko siya na-check. But yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nakagawa ng reaction video sa SB19, no? Official music video to? Sino yung kasama niya? Wait lang, I just wanna read the description of the said video. Usad is a song about finding the will to move forward. Actually, yes. Despite all the challenges, through self-discovery, Usad moves us to see a glimpse of our own greatness and use that to inspire oneself or the people around us. Music, artist Pablo. Ay, siya din pala. Si Pablo din tsaka si Joshua yung gumawa ng lyrics. Pero sino tong kasama niya? Itong choir. Wow. Dito talaga, alam mo, pinapatay talaga tayo ni Pablo, ni Pablo, no? Ni Papi. Ang kanyang adlibs talaga, orgasmic talaga. Yung mga pag-ganon-ganon niya. Okay. Ang gwapo talaga ni Pablo, swear. Lalo na in person. Oh, Tunog International. Uy, Tunog International. Go. Ay, ang gwapo dyan ni Pablo. Ay, alam mo, ganitong-ganito yung mata niya in person. Ganitong-ganito ang mata niya. Dito yung mata niya nabigyan talaga ng justice. Kasi most of the time talaga sa video niya, I saw SB19, I attended, simula atukas ata yun. Ay, hindi, ang pagtatag, Ira. I don't know. Anyways, hindi ko siya masyadong kino-compliment pag gumagawa ko ng reaction video, but when I saw him in person, ay, fudge. Ang mga mata niya, sobrang hindi nabibigyan ng justice sa camera. Pero dito, parang itong mata naman, ganyan na ganyan ang mata ni Pablo. Ganda ng lyrics, ganda ng rhythm, ang beat of the song, and the beat ng song. Okay. Oh. Ganda ng pagkaka-arrange. Ang ganda ng arrangement. Ah. Oh my God, I really love this song. Alam mo yung kahit upbeat siya, pero somehow, R&B actually. Somehow, parang alam mo nakaka-relax ang mind, body, and soul. Love that. Ganda. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkaka-emphasize niya ng lyrics, yung tipong the way niya i-pronounce ang Tagalog, ang lutong. You know what I mean? Alam mo yung parang ayoko na mag-talk. What? Ganda ng placement, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya mag-ano, yung tipong aside sa na-emphasize yung lyrics ng kanta, ang ganda ng ano, ng details. Gwapo ni Pabi! Sorry ha, pero sorry pagpasensya nyo na ha, pero kailangan ko itong ilabas eh. Ang sarap. Pati yung, sarap. Yun yung masarap. Yun yung masarap. Usad. Ganda. Nice. Ganda ng mga adlibs niya. The middle. The music video itself, very Pablo din talaga, no? It's just like very aesthetic. The simplicity is beauty. You know what I mean? The color grading is something like black and, you know what I mean? Black and white lang talaga siya. And somehow, yung aesthetic colors. Bokeh. Wow. Wow. Wow! Sarap! Tapos na yun? Yun na yun? Totoo ba? Ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng mga adlibs niya, no? Yung mga falsetto niya, yung mga soft tone niya. Orgasmic, isn't it? Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kid Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!